This is question 2 on your Christmas test. Starts off with some easy enough linear equations. Something along the lines of 2x minus 7 is equal to, let's say, a minus number, minus 20. So 2x is equal to minus 20. The key is bringing it across and changing the sign. So we get 2x is minus 13. So x is equal to minus 13 over 2. Nice easy linear equation. Then they bring in brackets to make them one step harder. So what about something along the lines of 6 times x minus 2 is equal to 20. So we're going to get 6x minus 12 equals 20. Do one simple step at a time. 6x equals, instead of writing 32, I want you to write 20 plus 12. 6x equals 32. So x equals 32 over 6. Not 36, 32 over 6. And that will simplify down on the calculator to 5 1/3. If you want to write 5 1/3, we'll give full marks for the improper fraction as well. So just type it into your calculator, it will simplify it for you. Okay, next up is where we have two brackets. So probably 2 by x plus 2 plus 5 by x minus 3 is equal to 11. So we get 2x plus 4 with the first bracket plus 5x. Make sure you have a minus 15 when the minus sign is there, equals 11. Combining like terms, we get 7x. We could combine the like terms on this side as well. We're going to get minus 11 equals 11. So 7x equals 11 plus 11. 7x equals 22. So x equals 22 over 7. And that's it, fully simplified. Then we go on to a series of algebraic fractions, which you guys have been struggling a little bit at. So these do require a bit of practice. So the rules are the same. So we start off with a nice easy one, maybe with an x on top, 3x over 4 and plus x over 2. So the rules are multiply the two terms on the bottom, multiply the 3x by what it's not over, so 2, keep the sign in the middle and multiply x by what it's not over, 4. The 4 could go in front of the x, we get 6x plus 4x over 8. So we get 10x over 8, which 2 divides into both, so this is equivalent to 5x over 4. It could be a minus sign, there will be some minus signs in them. So we can also change the letters up. They don't always have to be x. It could be a or b. So what about 2a plus 3 over 5 plus a plus 1 over 2. So you can't see the answer. So just follow the rules. Multiply 5 by 2. Multiply 2a plus 3 by what it's not over, which is 2. Keep the sign. And multiply a plus 1 by what it's not over, 5. So we get 4a plus 6 plus 5a plus 5 all over 10. So we get 9a, 4a and 5a, not 9x. 9a plus 6 and 5 is 11 over 10. And as these have no common factor, that's it, fully simplified. We'll do one with a minus now. And they could have the letters on the bottom. So what about if we have 3 over x plus 2? Minus 5 over x minus 7. We follow the same rules. We multiply the two things on the bottom, or the two terms, x plus 2 by x minus 7. And then we multiply 3 by what it's not over. We keep the sign and we multiply x plus 2 by what it's not over. So back to removing brackets, 3x minus 21 minus 5x minus 10. We don't have to simplify the bottom. X plus 2 by x minus 7. So these ones are actually a little bit easier, not as much work. 3x minus 5x is minus 2x. And minus 21 minus 10 is minus 31. And it's over the bottom. X plus 2 by x minus 7. And then where these questions get really tricky is when we have to solve an algebraic fraction, but we do it exactly the same way. So what if we had 4x plus 1 over 3 plus 3 minus x over 4 And we could let this equal to, let's say, minus a quarter, just to give it something a little bit awkward. So we'll ignore the minus a quarter and we'll simplify this like we simplified all the others. 3 times 4, multiply 4x plus 1 by what it's not over, and multiply 3 minus x by what it's not over, and keep the sign in the middle, so plus 3. So we're going to get 16x plus 4 plus 9 minus 3x. And that's all over 12. So we get 16x minus 3x, which is 13x. 4 plus 9 is 13. And that's all over 12. And then we bring back in the minus 1 over 4 equals minus 1 over 4. And then we cross multiply 4 by the 13x and 13. So we get, if you want to write it out like this, maybe 4 times 13x plus 13. That's going to be equal to minus 1 by 12, which you know is minus 12. And then simplifying this, we're going to get 4 13s or 52x plus 52 equals minus 12. So 52x is equal to minus 12 minus 52. 52x would be equal to minus 64. So x would be equal to minus 64 over 52, which is equal to minus 32 over 26, which is equal to 16 minus 16 over 13. I think that's it in simplified terms. So the answer can work out a little bit funny. It doesn't have to be a whole number, but just follow the rules from this point. Bring the quarter down when you have it fully simplified, and you should be able to get full marks in this question.